Hey guys, so I'm going to go over this pattern about valence electrons. We talked about valence electrons. Valence electrons are the outer orbital electrons, and these allow that atom to bond with other atoms. And so you can easily tell how many valence electrons an element has by just looking at the periodic table. You don't actually have to draw the Bohr model, which is awesome because some Bohr models get really big. So easy way to tell how many valence electrons an element or an atom has is by looking at this periodic table and looking at the groups. So the group numbers are these top numbers right here at the top of the periodic table. So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to 18. Okay, so you can look at those top numbers. Now the top numbers tell you how many valence electrons there are. So, and in group 1, these elements all the way down have one valence electron because they are in group 1. These in group 2 have 2 valence electrons because they're in group 2. Now these transition metals here, they don't follow the rules at all. So we skip those and go all the way to group 13. Okay, now 13 follows the pattern. However, they don't have 13 valence electrons because remember the outer shell only really holds 8. So what you're going to do is take that one off. Okay, take that one off, and all these right here down have 3 valence electrons. Okay, which is why this little this 3A is there. So you can always look at that 3A and tell that it's got 3 valence electrons. But if the question asks about group 13 and how many valence electrons they have, you can just take off that 1 in front of the 13 and you have 3. Okay, so that has 3. These will have 4. These will have 5. 6. Sorry, my line wasn't straight. And that 6 is horrible. 7, and these last ones have a full outer shell. These are the noble gases, and they have 8. So just by looking at the periodic table, you can tell how many valence electrons you have by just looking at the group number. Remember, these ones over here, the 13 through 18, just take off that 1, and that's how many valence electrons they have. Hope this helped, and now go ahead and get your assignment done on finding patterns, valence electrons.